hope you all are doing well. Children, I'm going to tell you and discuss about future continuous tense in this video. So what is future continuous tense? Any work that is going to be continuing in future, वो काम जो future में जारी रहेगा. जैसे I shall be eating an apple. मैं एप्पल खा रही होंगी. You will be eating an apple. तुम एप्पल खा रहे होगे. She will be eating an apple. वो एप्पल खा रही होगी. Okay, so this is future continuous tense. I'm going to tell you how we can form the structure or format of the future continuous. Goes like this: subject plus shall or will. With the first person we can use will also, but those are the exceptional cases. When we are going to discuss about modals, we are going to discuss about the same. Okay, plus be. What will come? We eat. Be will come. Okay, I shall be eating an apple. Then verse first form, and then we are going to add ing, so it becomes the continuous form of the verb. है ना, जैसे eat है उसमें ing ऐड कर लिया तो बन गया eating. So subject shall or will plus be plus verse first form plus ing plus object. So I or we shall be reading a book. एप्पल हमने बहुत सारा खा लिया है, अब हम बुक रीड करते हैं. ओके, सो आई और वी shall be reading a book. Then you will be reading a book. Then Sita will be reading a book. I hope you all like to read books. Okay, Sita will be reading a book. So children, the format of future continuous tense: subject plus shall or will plus be plus verse first form plus ing plus object. I'm going to now tell you about the how to form the negative and the interrogative form of the future continuous tense. Children, the negative form. Okay, how to form the future continuous tense? That will be subject plus shall or will. I shall not, because we are forming the negative structure, we have to add not, plus be as it is continuous form. Okay, be plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. I shall not be, after reading a book we are going to the market. Okay, I shall not be going to the market, but not feeling has to go to the market. That's why we are forming the negative sentence. I shall not be going to the market. You will not be going to the market. And so on. Sita will not be going to the market, or she will not be going to the market. Likewise, you can form the future continuous tense in the negative form with different person. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how we can form the interrogative structure of the future continuous tense. Okay, children, the interrogative form of the future continuous tense. Okay, so how to form the interrogative form? For that we have to put the helping verb shall and will in the beginning. Okay, like shall, then will or will be we are going to use with the second and the third person, or singular or any other plural subject. Shall we are going to use with the first person and its plural form as well. Okay, shall or will. Okay, like shall I be eating an apple? plus subject will come. Okay, will you be eating an apple? Then be will come. Okay, it is a continuous form. So verb, first form, and we are going to add ing to it. So it will become the continuous form plus object and a question mark. Okay, so shall I be reading? Read is the first form of the verb. We have added ing to it. It became is now in the continuous form. Okay, shall I be reading a book? Question mark. Then will you be reading a book? Question mark. Okay, as it is the interrogative structure. Then will she or he be reading a book? Or will they be reading a book? Okay, so this is the interrogative structure or format of the future continuous tense. So children, hope you have understood the concept of future continuous tense and how to form the interrogative as well as the negative form of the future continuous tense. So if you are following my explanation well, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.